Hey people, this is Chanel B back with another video, and I have a travel video for you guys. Recently, my husband and I were blessed enough to be able to travel again with Carnival Cruise Lines, and I was definitely happy about it. This was also our first time going to Bimini, Bahamas, and when I tell you I love this island, from the culture to the resorts to the beaches, it was definitely an amazing experience. We booked our excursion through Carnival Cruise Line at 360 Beach that you see here, and one of the things in which we were happy we got to do was snorkel. We rented gear for only $10 each, and this was our first time going snorkeling, so it took some getting used to, but once we did, we definitely loved it. If you want to see the rest of this video, keep watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. thank you all so much for watching this video. I truly hope you enjoyed it. And until next time, I hope you have a great day, night, week, weekend, whatever it is. I love you all. Bye.